Hey guys, it's Donna here from Donna Coco's, a Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I just wanted to pop in and let you know how my vendor event went. It was really great. We did really well. My mother-in-law was sick and could not attend, so my son hopped right in and he was great. He wrapped orders, he did all the heavy lifting and hauling for me, so that was, I'm really appreciative of him for doing that for me. Another reason I wanted to get online was I had looked back and watched some of my older videos. Now, granted, these videos were recorded some time back. When I first started YouTube, I put all of them on at one time, well, except a few, and I've sporadically put them on here and there. But I was watching some of my older videos, and I had gained a lot of weight, and I was like, you know what, I can't do that. I just can't do that. So I've lost 20 pounds altogether, and I'm very, very proud of that. And, you know, I just wanted to toot my own horn a little bit because, you know, especially during the holidays, it's a hard thing to do. And I don't exercise. I do a lot of running and making soap and doing all of that. But, and I think we get so caught up in making soap and everything that goes with it that we probably don't eat right. But you know, I've tried to balance what I'm eating a little better, and if I'm drinking alcohol, I certainly have to account for those calories. So yeah, but I just want, I actually fit into jeans that I have not I have a thigh gap. I haven't had a thigh gap in forever, and I fit into these jeans that I have not fit into in probably 3 years. So I'm very proud of that. And so, yeah, and it was just from watching some of my older videos and seeing myself, and I'm like, no, can't go there, can't do that. So instead of being the sloppy soaper, maybe I can be the sexy soaper. No, all joking aside though, yeah. Yeah, so the vendor event went really well, and we have another one coming up on the 8th, so we're working towards that. And I just wanted to pop in and give a little update because I'm very proud of myself. I didn't want to do the vendor events, and I was encouraged to do so. And I'm going to pop a little picture in of our table there with my son sitting at it. But, I mean, it went okay. It's a lot of work, but anyway. Okay, guys, I will see you soon, and we'll be making some more soap. Thanks. Bye.